It's in our record there, so we are so ungrateful power, we are so your Nanama McBrown. Because with UTV. Wow. Yenti.
Ye media melko. Me say you will be how I be a Juma will fear her. Also, you're very, very grateful to a Juma rough for pipe, a Juma way rough for pa. Yenana number one. DJ Paco Rich.
Yes, man. I call about channel lady. What from DJ Paco Rich? Now, how you found YouTube? Now, you Jumeza using in there. And some more Kodo Ghana, entertainment, politics, social issues. And some are the one Yado said he is the one common as a bro. Now, still in the trends, and Nanama McBrown. No one common on see. Since you are the shades and I don't know, or tell me DB, or be a so matter what to be. And there, you're sorry, videos are online, and now you're showman and I'm a McBrown. Ola Michael Lotto Nedzen, Abena Moet Lotto Nedzen, a quamity, Cassosoro Toneze. But a question I'm really saying there, is it the first time, Obia your Jumawo? Company been away for Wakobi before Frana. On your news, well, Amanka summary trema. Ghana Hanyipatuna was signing Ayo Krabosha Wukroyimu Papa. That's a Shatawale signing to Xylophone, and Nanama McBrown signing to Media General. Onya Makasa Mincho Ola Michael Akasembi bets. I'm not too comfortable with what he said. And my pedametra margin. What am I saying? Okay, no. Yenti.
You know how Okono. Maybe I may say. What do we ask also a grateful part to a human rough one or number one. Makamaka. You may be a milk.
The said our record there say we are so your ungrateful power, we are so your Nanama McBrown. Because with UTV. Wow. Yenti.
Ye may be a milk. Me say you will be how I be a Juma will fear her. Also, you're very, very grateful to a Juma rough for pipe, a Juma way rough for pa. Yenana number one. As you see, small dear see. Ya Pedro was see in Pempensuabiso. Because of disloyalty, because of ungratefulness, you are this one, you have C class 1.
Mantaso, na class 1 only on your TV and other only Media General. Because to my understanding, and before Nanama McBrown, Obaba UTV, this woman was doing well already. She had her tested terms and the high sales deals and the Amalina Nazin in Nara. And so what is this whole thing of ye page away, baby? See, Yasina Owen Obia was Ozanam. Said the fact today, I will see come a boy where Juma Mubire Biamon and Chede. Every yimpani favor. At the end of the day, a pam obia wa danima, you have no job. In your dream biara wo. Inti the mindset no ya binu mozi she woni trim there. Yes, you're ungrateful because your dream mo bi e ma nyama bi ankoye, so you've decided to move on into your ungrateful. That's school of thoughts and meaning baby a wenya fi. Me dwen wa man see. What about a Juma Ranoma? Ibinuma, you're loyal. What's a walk crab? What's a one hundred? I mean, why Jayim they've taken bullets for so many companies. Now, Sunni na nation a Jumani Ranoma na Pamuani ya. A Jumani Ranoma binum sisi omu was sisi wa. When you want to hear Juman Pa went to one a cow. The man command oya was Wukrum ha. Yet say someone okay can be. Missy Maka, Pa Muni Medi. You see, I have a feeling there. Ola Michael no do when there. I think he on Nyaze, like he's not doing so well. When movie scene him, and not the baton on radio, do panditry and or the be a host to her, but not Nana McBrown. That chick was already made. She was who she was. Many McBrown cassette 2015 in the Access Bank. They wanted her for a deal. Or a lady be or a me friend be. She used to work for one advertising agency be or Dansuman. Me refin one is in Kakra. They had contacted me in 2015. It's if you didn't pan on board Brebi Amana. Anka waba hiana another washana. And I what's one what to shades na ze what to spectacle. Na pepe put a month and a some metse kwame chromatic as some John Wamantase. Vim lady na summer bay na pepe na cats in a radio do or de olu true no tase poto papa. Aya morning show. The morning show yana kwame sefa kai su ye bi. Da maze ye kwame sefa kai oren ye papa penyen enyon. Akre kwame nkroma itikase extra large papa menya dam dama erema mbofra ho kwan de won fa wano won fa seso won fa wanyim twutwu fom onya fe hwe ayeye ni semina bedetia enema ayeye ni bedetia enema ayeye ni ting Oni pa boni aye ka debi my bia ma boni aye kaye ene me di aye kaye papa mi di ma wi eni boni aye oni pe ni aye my bia ma send them my ye eni sumina sa binka aya bia na McBrown oko YouTube what talk kidney man anade was suddenly leave a man na yanya way na because the way I walk lady ni bonya for your ungrateful na man so na McBrown anyi mu ni hwe erabe nyanyi na adwuma ponto nchen be yin asabe oyene na wa ware na Maxwell o hye no ho odogwa 2008 prior no mo kwatwa wo video 2013 nya na McBrown ni Range Rover na wodi Kenya accident she was doing well. Nipan wabane brother da sabi edwuma obeyen oyemwe iho tuni na na wokebo mende na me praise one but za wekese ni bi wo ye na oya nkwan oya time if you trust nigga na simple don one throw book mo no obi anyim da ho ya opa edwuma wa xylophone na wan fa na obehye wana aroba okọ wuntumi a wan fa na obehye wana aroba ono opa edwuma wa side na amfa ma na chede eh ne nkofu o hele ninti waye less wenyi maze ya ha na asam krubi abapere makanye rabe na mempere mobodo oye mi neighbor wa friend Abena Moet na samora kanye de na McBrown had no proper education when UTV na wo grooming more be a TV presenter. Yes, your starting point were BBM da. Na maybe so what did McBrown leba na Abena Moet onyi despite house or no nyi ship house wa. Nenye mkasa wa so radio do e wo power na anti na one for one katsina do na anye na what the McBrown betina wo. Ewa da mkofi na wakasa bebrade bia what woman wo be awon come out into me neighbor na mpade so na wife anti awon bet mama wo kasa na rekasa on fa kwemi na wan ko school onyi certificate na dam nsam na work ni na nda bri what certificate na wa certificate nya na wodi wo wade wo politics mi nti sabi obi di ni nyimze na do ma chajo didida ono so ye be problem damn it wo me rabani nya na ho na vim lady Sunday dozen sambi to go on so mapere makawa sam kakra ama kwafota asere signing na war signing na kwafo war sa wo na McBrown wo hwe ne wuye na dam kwafo na wo huhu wo ye he ndama de no pode menye vim lady ya adwen nyimpa mu obi oba famous so when you do so o hwe na na rekwe hu na malam na aze nti McBrown mo mpa bo mi nyezon onyezon onyezo nti so I recorded on internet and other higher fancy YouTube now. Shades are YouTube UTV presenters been most to solo na what to turn as on for cream. I beg with Santana pinging Odzinwini. He wouldn't engage in such thing. Martina Crobot to make a statement today. UTV they don't own Nanama McBrown, and it's the fact. On that Crobot to know one also crampon or one he can choose to move today. They don't owe him. Also dzane fa na mosomoze musika za aba na mmoja ye bibi mamu ina mu edidi ho nto odum bro ide intem papa ina ba oya want won ho ase na odosa na ato alapa na ato shade. You see, I have a strong feeling the reason why Abena McBrown ofi Vespite house one ship house one a chere nankasan onyim da wa tamfo kitin bi o na dam kofi a watsena radio ya sebe wonyenye won hu se wa penana McBrown na asem dada nka me yehwe da obotwifo na ebe sister na rekwenjan ya na ebe asem bi a we fie me yanken na batsena radio do nkekere oye bonyan yefo na day na wan ko school na wan school put the torching. Then the common sense in ye jumama now work it a degree and a doctor na la na obey juma na nkasan okobo degree another from one mukite PhD na him fana na adwen o ye juma moma mpanyinufo no won fa adwen na monda. It's an opportunity for somebody to also excel. Let's look at it from that point. Yeah, share them way. Enjoy kasa bebre na McBrown why na kotin na sebi wa be yedwuma fifi banse na wanya no start PCFM a ebo fifi banse na PCFM na otia dem fifi banse na at a point ojai. Sometimes you live somewhere that you want to challenge yourself, you want to try and experiment other stuff. And that is what we're talking about. I'm going to end here, people. Wamamuhu submission. What also Adrian from Koma or could the UTV presenter shares in our to here? Is it maturity? Another yam from Badzibina warrior ho. Woman Kayadrin and Chayadrin. Higher fancy YouTube Buzimarini. And Tasosha be some more brew from a barber or from a park to the rich. Subscribe to the channel. Nizun Komona or don't know here. I'm out of here.
DJ Paco Rich.